How to fix Instagram's comments not showing. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix Instagram comments not showing. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First of all, you'll need to head over to your control center. From the top right corner, swipe down. There you'll find your Wi-Fi option. First of all, you'll need to check for your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to a good and stable Wi-Fi, and you can also use your cellular data if you want to. So you can use your mobile data if you want to, just make sure that you're connected to the internet. After that, what you'll need to do is you can always go ahead and update your app. Go to App Store and update your Instagram. Search for Insta. You should find the app, and if you see an update button right here instead of open, tap on update and update your app. Doing that should fix your problem. If that does not fix your problem, you can just go ahead and offload the app entirely. So go to your settings, go to general. On your general, go to iPhone storage, let it load, and there you should find your Instagram. So head over to Instagram and offload the app. After you offload the app, reinstall it, and all the cache memory from the app will get deleted, and after that your problem should get fixed. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.